かに遅い線路を築く。時間とともに時代は動く。流れる星は静かに動く。目を閉じて耳を澄ませば GOD バイ。放て光負けずにしっかり今時を超え誰かに届くまで。栄光の光はこの向こうに君たちと作っていくストーリー。見上げた夜空の星たちの光、いにしえの想いに抱いた時代を超えての忘れろ。この夏の光瞳に映る誰かの叫び、風に思いを月に願いを力ある限り生きてくが今日も。見上げた夜空の星たちの光、いにしえの想いに抱いた時代を超えての忘れろ。この夏の僕らの想いもいつか誰かの胸に光り続けよう。あの星だよ光り続けよう。あの星だよ
Pardon me, lads and lass.
I just made a duty in my pants.
Thank you. We're turning for home.
Just like that?
Just like that. Our turn, guys.
Cause I'm Foxy Cleopatra, and I'm a whole lot of woman!
Our early attempts at a tractor beam went through several preparations. Preparations A through D were a complete failure. But now, ladies and gentlemen, we finally have a working tractor beam, which we shall call Preparation H. What?
Why don't you just call it Operation Ass Cream, you ass?
I'm sorry, did you want some ice cream?
Yes. I'd love some chocolate ass cream.
Yes, Frau. On the whole, I think Preparation H feels good. What is it now?
No, nothing. You know what? I agree. Preparation H does feel good, on the whole.
Well, I'm glad we're sprechen Sie the same lingity. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, using my time machine, I shall travel back to 1975, pick up Goldmember, and bring him back to the future. And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me. Not even Austin Power. You're surrounded, Dr. Evil. I can't believe I got caught in the first act.
Test your might. Test your might. Test your might. Test your might.
Well now, we call this the act of mating, but there are several other very important differences between human beings and animals that you should know about.
down my pants, and I'll bet you feel nuts. Yes, I'm Cisco, yes, I'm Ebert, and you're getting 2 thumbs up. You've had enough of 2-hand touch. You want it rough, you're out of bounds. I want you smothered, want you covered like my Waffle House hash browns. Coming quicker than FedEx, never reaching apex, just like Coca-Cola stock. You are inclined to make me rise an hour early, just like daylight savings time. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. Do it again now. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. Getting horny now.
How come we have to
Masturbate.
Turn to the dark side and join me.
I'll never join you! You killed my father!
No, Luke. I am your father.
That's not true! That's impossible!
And Princess Leia is your sister.
That's not true! That's improbable!
And the Empire will be defeated by Ewoks.
That's very unlikely.
And as a child, I built C-3PO.
Huh?
And the Force? Well, that's just microscopic bacteria in your bloodstream called midichlorians.
I love Girls Gone Go!
It's like, I don't care about nothing, man. Roll another blunt. Yeah. Oh, good. La da 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 da. La da da. La da da da. La da da da. La da da da. Yeah. I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna get up and find the broom, but then I got high. My room is still messed up, and I know why. Why, man? Yeah, cause I got high. Because I got high. Because I got high. La da 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 da. I was gonna go to class before I got high. Come on, y'all. Check it out. I could've cheated and I could've passed, but I got high. La da. I'm taking it next semester, and I know why. Why, man? Yeah, cause I got high. Because I got high. Because I got high. Go to the next one. Go to the next one. Go to the next one. I was gonna go to work, but then I got high. I just got a new promotion, but I got high.